Watch this form turn into a lead, and within seconds an email is sent. Your team gets notified on the Telegram and follow-up is booked on your calendar. And the lead is fully logged into Google Sheets, all automatically. That's not magic, it's automation using Typeform plus n8n, and it's a very simple automation. Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to build this powerful automation system from scratch. We will use a no-code form with Typeform and wire it to n8n to do all the follow-ups, scoring, reminders, and alert without even lifting a finger. First, we are using Typeform, one of the easiest tools to build beautiful and mobile-friendly forms. So the magic is in the logic flow. You can add calculations, custom thank you pages, and even dynamic routing. Now before we jump into n8n, you have to get your personal token to connect n8n with Typeform. For that, you have to go to my workspace. I have to go to the settings. And here you can see the personal token. Generate a new token and just name anything. I named it Realtors and I got my token and connected with n8n. Now we are inside n8n. This is the heart of automation. This is where everything is happening. So first of all, you have to add the type flow trigger and paste your token here. Once it's connected, you have to search the form. In my case, it's the new form here. Names is my new form, this one. After that, we have to score the lead. I built a custom function node that checks the zip code and budget. If the lead is from a high interest area as a high budget, they got a high score. This helps us to prioritize hot leads and response faster. Based on the score, the workflow splits. If it's a hot lead, it will log to Google Sheets. For that, you have to connect your Google account and append row. Here you have to select your Google Sheet, and here you have to map everything from the if, first name, last name, phone number, email, ID, budget, zip code, and score. Then generate a Google Map link, notify the team on Telegram, and schedule a follow-up in Google Calendar. That's 4 tasks done within 2 minutes of the form being submitted. If the lead isn't at hot, they still get loved. We will send an email with the property brochure, this one. We'll wait for 2 days. And then we'll send a follow-up asking if they're still interested. Then log the follow-up in another sheet. So even cold leads stays in your system and get warmed over time. One of my favorite part is that the team gets a Telegram message with the clickable link to get the zip code like this. And yes, it even books a follow-up in your Google Calendar 2 days later, let's say at 10 a.m. with all the details in the description. So here's what we built, starting from one beautiful Typeform submission. In less than 5 minutes, you just go the lead, notify your team, schedule a follow-up, send auto emails, and lock it all without touching anything. Imagine running your real estate hustle on autopilot like this. Next up, you can improve this workflow. You can improve the automation by adding AI summaries with the GPT, send SMS to leads, or also you can auto create Notion pages for every contact or every lead. So if you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more automations, and drop a comment if you want this exact template. I will send it to you.